guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing out the new e.l.f. 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer. I think this is new because I saw it in Superdrug recently and that's why I bought it. I've already dived in and had a look at the tube. This is why the packaging is a little bit ripped. Just excuse that. This was £5. I picked up the shade Fair Warm, which looking at it, I think it could be slightly too fair for me, but we're going to give it a go anyway. Normally with these kind of like reviews and like first impressions, I normally just show you guys what they look on the skin and then give you guys like my final thoughts. But I thought today what I'm going to do is do a wear test on this as well. Now the time is currently 1:05. By the time I've got it on my skin and like blended everything out and everything like that, it's probably going to be more like 2 o'clock. So I don't think I'm going to be wearing this for the full 16 hours, but I'm going to try and wear it up until the point where I take my makeup off tonight. So I'm going to check in with you guys later on as well and kind of give you guys a little bit of a review on how it's wearing throughout the day. So this concealer claims that it's really high coverage, it's crease resistant and it's 16 hour wear. So I, as I said before, bought the shade Fair Warm. The packaging is really, really nice. I mean, for £5, can't really go wrong. And what I love about this concealer already is that it comes with a doe foot applicator, so it makes it so much more easier to apply underneath your eyes. So the packaging is really nice. It comes in like this kind of plastic tube, pretty much standard for like this type of concealer. It actually reminds me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape, which I'm trying to have a look on my desk, see if I can find, and I can't. It's probably in the drawer somewhere. So I've already gone ahead and applied the rest of my kind of makeup up until the point where I get to concealer basically. So now I'm just going to conceal underneath the eyes. I'm just going to see how this goes on. See, already I can tell this is super light. Now this shade is Fair Warm. I am kind of yellow toned my skin, so definitely more on the warmer side than the cool. So that's the reason why I went for this shade. But I maybe could have gone up a shade because I feel like this is going to be really, really fair for me. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking out my sponge. I always blend out my concealers and foundations with a sponge. And this, honestly, wow, the coverage is really, really full coverage. I mean, that is covering up pretty much everything. I definitely feel like the shade, again, is too light for me, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. Once to put like the rest of my face makeup on, hopefully it won't look so bad. I'm also going to drag a little bit onto my nose as well. I feel like I put far too much on my face, which is like pretty much standard for me. Cannot believe how full coverage this concealer is. Whoa. So it doesn't feel dry on the eyes at all. I know that I tested out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer recently. That one was really, really drying, but this doesn't feel drying at all. It feels quite nice and creamy and quite comfortable underneath the eyes. And it doesn't feel too heavy either. So far, I'm actually really, really liking this concealer. I feel like I need to go back and just purchase one that's slightly more my skin tone, but I feel like if you wanted a brighter under eye, which I know some people like, then this would honestly be an amazing colour for that because I feel like it's really super brightening. Okay, so now that is fully blended out, it has covered up pretty much all of my dark circles or anything. I mean, I can't see anything underneath my eyes, which is amazing. And it's blended out so nicely. It's definitely not drying. It's really creamy and I really like the formula. It hasn't started to crease yet, which is good, although give it time, it probably will. But I'm going to set it with some powder now. So I'm just going to be using the Fenty Pro Filter powder in the shade Butter, and I'm just going to set this into place. I'm also going to set the rest of my face with this as well. Okay, so the powder is on and that concealer is now set underneath my eyes. I really am impressed with the finish of this concealer. It looks absolutely flawless. Like, I mean, I know the powder has made it a lot more flawless anyway, but the coverage is insane. I think for the money, it's really, really good. Like, and it is very, very, very comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape and also the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm really interested to see how this concealer is going to wear throughout the day. So what I'm going to do now is just apply all of the rest of my face makeup and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just gone in and done the rest of my makeup and I've had this concealer on now for about half an hour maybe. And honestly, it looks so good, so flawless. I'm so impressed with this concealer already. I'm just really hoping that it is going to hold up throughout the day and wear nicely and not crease. But honestly, I'm so amazed by the coverage, the consistency of it, and it just looks so flawless. So the time is now 1:36. So I am gonna go about my day. I've got a few errands to run, I've got some cleaning to do. My life. And then I'm just going to check in later on this afternoon and probably once before bedtime, like before I take my makeup off and stuff, just to give you guys like my final thoughts on how this concealer is wearing. So it's currently 5:30. I've just got home and this concealer has now been on for around 4 hours maybe, and honestly it still looks as fresh as when it was first applied. I don't know if you guys can see like up close in the camera, like it hasn't creased at all and it still looks absolutely flawless. I am so impressed with this concealer so far. I actually think this is going to be like one of my new favourites, but I just want to see how it is going to wear through the night pretty much. I normally go to sleep around 10:30, 11 o'clock, so I'll probably check back in then and give it a few more hours and see if it holds up as good as what it is already. But I honestly am really impressed with this concealer so far. I just think it's amazing. I just definitely need to go back and make sure I get a darker shade because this is far too light for me. But yeah, I'm really impressed. So guys, it is now 20 to 11, so it's coming up to my bedtime and I am desperate to take my makeup off my face and kind of like get into my pajamas and stuff like that. But I just wanted to jump back on here to kind of let you know how this concealer wore throughout the day. So I have to be honest, this concealer I am so impressed with. I absolutely love the formula, I love the coverage. The only thing that I have noticed is that it has kind of sunken in to my fine lines a little bit, so it has creased slightly. But in saying that, I feel like you can't really notice it that much because I have got eyeshadow on the lower lash line, so it kind of covers it up slightly. But if I pull my face down, you can see there's a little bit of creasing like underneath this eye in particular, but this eye isn't as bad. So I have not touched my face all day apart from like reapplying my lipstick. I haven't powdered or anything like that. As you can tell, I do get really oily around here, so this is like the natural oils that come through. But my concealer has really held on and it has lasted a really long time. I definitely think that I would like to try this for 16 hours, but I don't think that I could possibly wear makeup for that a long period of time. For 9 hours, I feel like it definitely looks as flawless as when it first went on. So I would highly recommend this concealer. I think it is very comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, and it is definitely like an affordable dupe for that. Is it as good as the Tarte Shape Tape? 100% yes. It is really good, and it is definitely worth the £5 because, I mean, that is an absolute bargain. So guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this and you enjoyed like the format of this video as well. I know it was slightly different to my other reviews, but I kind of wanted to give you a sort of like a real time kind of wear test and show you guys how these products hold up on the skin throughout the day. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you here. So don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. That will alert you of all of my upcoming videos. I'm posting 3 times a week, so every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go to bed. See you later.